From the age of 6, I had a keen interest in farming. If we're really going to be serious about handing these farms to the 5th, 6th, 7th generation, we cannot deplete the resources that are here. So the way in which we approach sustainable farming is to make sure that we're in alignment with people that give us unbiased approach to farming as sustainable as possible. There's a couple of ways in which we engage the community. Number one is we open up our cherry orchard and allow people to come in and pick. We also host a dinner, an annual dinner every year, and allow people to come in, and I speak just like I'm speaking now about our operation. I think it's really important to support small farming operations. I believe small farming operations tend to make decisions that are best for the quality of food. We can also keep the money local as opposed to sending it off to some place where there's a corporate headquarters that's not centrally located where the operation is taking place. I think that a lot of goes into taking care of oneself is knowing exactly where ingredients come from. By buying California nuts in general, there's a high likelihood that you're buying from a local farming outfit that cares.